Going to a party? You want to take this. This is called a BBQ Vegetable Bundle. And all you do is you just cook up a bunch of stuff, wrap it up in the tin foil. You can cook it on the grill or do it in the oven. It's really easy. Barbecued vegetable bundles. It's one of the easiest sides to take to a cookout if you're going to a potluck. And basically it's a little bundle of cheesy goodness on vegetables. And I'll show you the vegetables that I've chosen here. I've got some green beans. The recipe for this is below in the comments. So I've got about 10 green beans. We're going to make up two servings. First of all, we're going to make the cheese sauce. I've got some room temperature cream cheese, a tablespoon of softened butter, a tablespoon of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, a little bit of garlic salt, and some fresh cracked pepper. And I'm just going to take a fork. This is nice and soft. I'm just going to mix it all up. You could put some lemon juice in there if you wanted, or you could serve lemon on the side. Now my vegetables of choice in this barbecue vegetable pack are some green beans, and they're blanched. I've got some zucchini, fresh from the Global Buckets. I've got some cauliflower florets. I've got some mushrooms and some red pepper, 4 little strips of red pepper. So everything was blanched except for the mushrooms. So I'm going to divide this into 2. So I'm going to take this mixture and I'm going to divide it in 2 and just put it on top. It'll just melt right down. Oh yeah. This is so easy. And everyone really likes it when they get their own little bundle. We're just going to fold it up so it doesn't leak out. I preheated the grill to 350 degrees. And we're going to cook indirect. That means heat on this side, and nothing in the center. And that's where my poppers are, my jalapeno poppers at the moment. So I'm going to put these in. It'll take about 15 minutes. Oh, those poppers look good. There, that's 15 minutes on the barbecue vegetable bundles. You can do it in the oven if you want, but it's a beautiful day outside if you've got a grill. Just indirect. So heat, and no heat in the center. And they're pretty good. I cooked some poppers for a get-together on the weekend. I'm going to pull this off now. They're nicely cooked. We're just heating them actually. Okay, let's take a look at the vegetable bundles. And another thing you can do is you can just prep this. Do the parboil, make your cheese sauce, put it in, build it up, and then just take it to somebody's house for a potluck. Do a bunch of them up though. Nice little surprise on the inside. Look at that. That's cooked perfectly. You've got the cheese. There you go. There's barbecued vegetable bundles. Thanks for watching.